Indian forces killed a 23-year-old Kashmiri youth, Imtiaz Ahmed Magre, in custody in the Kulgam district, marking the fifth such death since the Pahalgam false flag operation. Magre was arrested during a cordon and search operation in Tangmar, and later his tortured body was recovered from a nala. All parties Hurriyat Conference paid glowing tributes to the senior resistance leader Muhammad Ashraf Sehrai on his fourth martyrdom anniversary, describing him as an icon of the plebiscite movement in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Sehrai's unwavering stand against the Indian occupation and his lifelong struggle for right to self-determination made him a symbol of sacrifice and resistance. Kashmiri political leaders hailing from different parties, including Mehbooba Mufti, Agha Ruhullah Mehdi, Sakina Itto, and Muhammad Yusuf Tarigami, called for an impartial probe into the custodial death of Imtiaz Magre. They warned that the Kashmiris must not be subjected to collective punishment following the Pahalgam incident. Indian authorities have razed around 3 dozen houses in the Kashmir Valley as a collective punishment since April 22nd. Under Narendra Modi's demolition policy, Kashmiris demanding plebiscite or posting the pro-freedom content online face home demolitions. The victims and witnesses described the house destruction as deliberate state terror to stifle the freedom sentiments in the territory.